Hi guys, today we are doing about a video that was my uncle house video, and my uncle, I am in the lockdown, and when we are come then after that was a lockdown. So today I am doing about a video that was I can see much of trees in my uncle's home. So if you like this video guys, so please like, subscribe and share to our channel. Oh, I'm forgot to say you. And please comment also. Me, not anyone. Okay, and there was a bell icon. Please press the bell icon. Then we can give anything to you, what you can say, any video, then you can take it, and in your phone bell like that is bell ting 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 ting. So guys, there was my uncle's home mature tree. It was a mature. Okay, and after that, after matches are down, you can see a park there. And after in the park is mature trees, you can see guys. You can see there was a swing. But anyone could not go there. Nah, anyone could not go for coronavirus. You know, we are in the lockdown. And there was a gate and there was a God place. Okay. And there was a Theki, and there was a police thing that we can police, and then you can go after the police station. So here is our park, and there was much of trees you can see in the park. You can see there was also white. You can see guys. You can see there was a much of trees, and one man is coming. Oh my God. Okay, and after that there was my friend's home, and everywhere we can take on our trees, a coconut tree, and there was my Mrs. So many trees you can see guys here. You cannot see any home, but you can see every what I can say you, every trees. Always tree you can see guys. After that there you see it. So here is you cannot see any home. You only see that one. Only trees you have to see. You cannot see anything. Only the trees you have to see. Can see much of. And I have also coconut tree in my house. That was this one. Okay guys. Oh my darling, what is coming? This one and this one. And I have to see a coconut also, na you? Wait a minute. Oh, first I said you this one. This is my home, see? So this is Karipata tree. Oh, you know also name. This is, what I can say, Tulsi Patta. So guys, now I'm seeing much of flowers in there, and you can see after the water you can see mature flowers of there. You can see that water, and the water name is what I can say. First you see that one. Oh my darling, all is tree. You can see that, and the sea's name is Ichamuti. So you loved it really. And guys, I am in the Bonga, and Bonga means is boss. I'm just gonna go. So there was much. And you can see, guys, there was a break and said you mango tree is dead. So bad thing. So oh my darling. Wow, so biggest. The coconut tree is not fallen this time. So now, guys, I am have to see you that one about what I can said you on what I can said. Uh, coconut. So you can see, guys, there was a mature coconut in the coconut tree. So that was much. And you have to see mature about that flower. So the flower has gone to her house. Where is the flower? Here is the flower, guys. You can see mature flower, guys. Wait a minute. You can see a mature flower now. Not zoom it much. Mature flowers are about pink. And I liked it. I really liked it. You have to like it, guys. So there was a good mature, and yesterday a mature rainy, so I do not vlog yesterday, so I cannot come in the yesterday on the chat. So this is our uncle's house video. So guys, okay. So bye guys, bye. And you have to like, comment that I said you after. Okay, so bye.